How are you doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life. So I'll give you a quick update on our plant sale this summer. We have actually 1/3 of our plants are already sold out, and this is not even 2 days later after the sale started. This is actually now Sunday afternoon, and the sale only started at 9 p.m. on Friday night. So we're very pleased, and thank you guys so much for buying our plants. And we just want to give you a quick update on what plants we have still. Actually, we still have a good few really nice plants, and we'll show you some of our packing here as well. We use recycled boxes, these ones here, just from supermarkets such as Lidl and Aldi, mostly Lidl, and we just use these. They're vegetable boxes, so they're perfect. They're always the same size, and we're upcycling them, and they're very clean, brand new, almost new. And we basically just use a small bit of cling film to wrap the plants, and then we use these willow sticks right here to hold them in place, and also some bits of cardboard as well in most cases. We also have some upcycled air pockets that we're using, and of course a magic envelope. This is just a little surprise we're thrown in for each person that for each box of plants, I should say, or each person that has bought some plants. So yeah, here you can see we have a little Excel sheet here with all the different orders and different plants that are gone. So let me just show you some of the boxes that we've prepared already. So here's actually just the orders that all these orders came in just in the last day and a half, basically. You can see here there's quite a few of them already, and there's actually a few more that have been reserved. We're already completely out of some stuff, but we do have still some really nice plants left over, especially the zebra mallows and the rosemaries, and some of the beautiful pineapple mint is really nice for tea and a nice smell, and of course the iced tea mint as well, and black currants. We also have plenty of rhubarb left over. Let me show you here. Here's a little selection that we used for the last video. We also have some really nice fuchsias left, and a lot of these hollyhocks. These are some pink hollyhocks, and we also have some jet black hollyhocks as well. So while we're taking a look at our little website, here's some fuchsias, which are really good value at €5 or €6, depending on how many plants you buy. We also have a couple of sage plants, and these are the butterfly bush, or buddleia. Very big plants and very good value at only €5 or €6 per plant. So thanks again, guys, and we'll keep on working away here, putting these plants in boxes now, and we will talk to you soon. We will give you guys a walk or an update on the pizza garden, which a lot of you actually have asked us about. And another thing as well is that in about 3 or 4 weeks time, we're going to open our web shop for pre-orders for the tubers that will be available, or will become available from the end of November as well. All of the different tubers like oca, mashua, Jerusalem artichoke, hopefully some apios as well this time around. We're growing that one for 2 years now, and also we'll have a number of other different bits and pieces that are really exciting and growing away in the background. So thanks again, and if you don't mind, you could maybe share this video or like it, and we would really appreciate your support. Thanks a million. Bye bye.